Alright, I just got a nice little Zippo in. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, now this one comes in the normal dark side Zippo box, made in the USA, and it is labeled, quite unimaginatively labeled, just Tiger. Nothing collectible about the box, but the Zippo is very nice. You can see it's a dark Tiger, and it's on a brass body, and this one's made in I of 13, and it has a steel insert. Lights up real good, pretty good sound. But I think if they make brass bodied Zippos, they should have a brass insert with it too. If you're listening to Zippo, put brass inserts in brass bodied Zippos. And that is another Tiger. I'm gonna have to start an animal collection. So there you go, another fine Zippo. And is that worth some cowbell? You betcha. Knuckle bump.